Here's a little demonstration of Thomas and Friends battery operated small train set. Battery operated. You insert the battery, 1AA. It's not included. You can use rechargeable or regular. Insert it in there, connect it up to the other trains, and turn it on. And it can run on the tracks or on any smooth surface. Whoa, like this. Pretty fast. And it's small enough, it can be taken by the parents to a restaurant and given to a small kid as an activity waiting for the food.